Good morning. So I got my coffee. Let's go do a little garden walkthrough tour. I haven't done one in a while. I did a lot of jobs yesterday, but I didn't record. I was just trying to get things done. So yeah. So today is May 28th, and this is how the garden is looking right now. So we got a rosemary and some flowers in here. They're called 4 o'clock. And this is the eggplant bed right here. And we have a zinnia over there. We have some radish and turnips. And in that part, we have some carrots that I now see coming up. And we have like little beets coming up here. Over here, we have some beans and some fava beans that I'm growing for the first time. Never had them, but I wanted to try them. So fava beans is there. Then we have some parsley and cilantro. I've yet to see the oregano or the chive come up, so I might have to purchase that. No big deal. And we have 4 beautiful tomato plants coming up right here. They are growing so good. Now my garlic bed, the ones that's flopping over, I have pulled some of them. So I'm going to pull a few more of these garlics because I think some of them is getting waterlogged in the front, because when it rains, the rain settles in front here. So I'm going to do that. Got some beans back there. This is my trellis. I fixed it back, and I have to do a little better job later, but yeah, it's fixed. And we have a zucchini here. And then over here we have some corn and some volunteer potatoes. I'm not troubling it. They're going to be the best potatoes, so you don't trouble anything that's volunteer. So yeah, these are volunteer potatoes. All right. That's also another volunteer chamomile. Not troubling it. Gonna make me some beautiful tea. And these are some potatoes in here also. I see a volunteer tomato. I'm leaving it. Not troubling it. I planted out my tomatoes. These here were some new ones that I had to restart it. So these are a little behind. In this bed here, I have to replant a few things, but it's all right. And then we have some more eggplants, some more tomatoes back there, more potatoes here. And all of these beds at the bottoms have potatoes. So this is the pepper bed again. I might have to buy some more pepper plants for right here that I don't have, but we'll see. The strawberry bed. I'm having some beautiful strawberries. If the roly-polies don't eat them before I do. Then we have the okra bed and some beans. That's all I see pop up is 3, which is fine. I could plant some more. And the fruit tree. Oh, look at that. It's an apple. I didn't even notice that before. Wow. That's the first time I'm noticing an apple on there. Yeah, that's the first one. Wow. Okay. And over here, this is a quick go. I'm trying not to make it past 5. And then we have the pears. This is the other cherry tree. All the cherries dropped off next year. Yeah, even the ones, yeah, like all of them is gone. Okay. More potatoes over there. And then over here, I'm trying to make it 5 minutes. Lots of blackberries and raspberries this year. The raspberries, oh my gosh. It's taken over. I have to try to get this under control. But they're everywhere. The fig tree has gotten even bigger. From such a little tree to this explosion in 2 years. So yeah, that's my garden.